Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do dry massage. Let's go. Okay, start with the palm pressure, and then you can add also thumb pressure, two sides of the foot. And in the center of the foot, you press circle. Okay, and you repeat the other foot too. Okay, after that, I'm gonna pressure the legs. Make sure you pressure in the center. And don't let shaking the leg like this. Yes, try in the center. Don't press in the back of the knee. Okay, it's kind of sensitive place. And then we go up. Here, make a circle again. Okay, let's walk again up to the back. Work slowly and gently on the lower back. Here, can add the pressure more. Bring your body weight exactly on the top of your palm, so you have the pressure maximum. Again, be careful on the lower back, on lumbar. Here some people have tension, sometimes pain, so try the pressure gradually from gentle and then medium pressure. Here you can press more. Okay, lean to your hands, bring the body weight, press gentle, and then move slowly. So from here you can change position of your legs. Okay, again pressure slowly on the lumbar and walk to the upper back. Here you press more. Make sure not pressing on the bones, only on your muscle, on the muscle. If it was okay with your client, you can sit down on the buttock here. Just lean your knee there. Make a circle and then maybe a little bit of crack if it's okay with the client. Also work on the shoulder by pressing with your 4 fingers. Press on the shoulder. So maybe I can show you here this point. Okay, let's go. Maybe I can show you a little bit of steps with your feet. So walk on the back of the thigh. Make sure not pressing on the back of the knees. Not step on the bones, always on the muscle side. Here also, be careful, not on the spine. So here I am not pressing on the spine, only here and on my heel. And then come back, you can massage the back of your legs. And go down to the foot. Okay, that's a little bit of dry massage on the back of side of the client. Thank you.